taught 3rd grade, and the goal is to teach every genre every 6 weeks. Well, you cannot teach every genre during reading. You just can't. So my expository, I did twice a week during social studies and science, as well as during reading. But for sure, I hit it during science and social studies. So that could even be literary nonfiction, that could be biography, expository, persuasive. I had to make sure I crossed the curriculum, because if you don't, you will not teach every TEK. There are not enough hours in the day to teach every single TEK. It's just impossible. So you have to cross the curriculum, and if you're teaching a TEK in science, why not use the reading strategies in science? So we started with expository. The next week we came back and we learned the other thinking guides, and I was making connections. Okay, so if I'm teaching expository, and Rachel was telling us, bring a book, and I brought a Reading B to Z book, so a print-out book on this renewable energy, and bring a book that you would teach in a different subject. So I brought that book, and then we learned about, well, how could you use this during reading? So you could get fiction, poetry, anything. So you're making the connections, and you're teaching a unit on energy, not just a unit in reading. It's every single subject. And we had trainings throughout the year. Anytime we had a training, we would come back, ask questions, can you show me how to do this? This didn't work, and she would say, well, what did you do? High expectations, what did you do? What could we do better? And my kids did amazing. They, all my students, except for one, passed the STAR reading. It was my first year teaching STAR. And I had 2 students at frustrational reading level. That means on TPRI, they could not get past the first sentence. They couldn't get 3 words. They got 3 words wrong in the first sentence. And at the end of the year, one of those students didn't pass, but he sure did jump. Came up, but the other one passed. And I don't mean pass like at the bare minimum. I mean like they passed again. They did amazing.
It's
so
awesome.
I
Congratulations.
Swear
No, that's awesome. No, that teaching went on.
Yes.
I just showed you the structures of reading. What you did was you went in there and you taught. I can give you this, but if you don't immerse yourself, if you don't go and teach every piece of it, and you can't leave one out.
No.
You've got to teach it all and really teach from bell to bell with your curriculum.